Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this easy enoki beef roast. For the ingredients, you will need thin beef slices, enoki mushrooms. I have 2 here, but I only ended up using 1. Ginger, 2 shallots, 2 garlic cloves, soy sauce, water, and sugar. Begin by peeling your shallot and thinly slicing them. When finished, place in a bowl and then go ahead and get your ginger, and you're going to peel it and then shred it in the same bowl as the shallot. Next, you will take the garlic cloves, and I'm just using the garlic press to mince my garlic and putting it in the same bowl as the ginger and shallots. To the bowl, you're going to add about 7 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then you're going to add about 6 tablespoons of water. Next, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar, and then go ahead and mix well. The sauce mixture aside, and then get your mushrooms, and you're going to cut the ends off and then give it a quick wash. After washing your beef and pat drying it, you're going to cut it into smaller sections, and then go ahead and get a handful of mushrooms and place it onto the beef. You're going to begin rolling as tightly as possible. Continue the same procedure until you are finished with the mushrooms and beef. Heat oil in a pan on medium-high, and then go ahead and carefully place the beef rolls onto the pan. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until thoroughly cooked. When flipping over the beef rolls, make sure you do it carefully so that the mushrooms don't fall out. Then go ahead and pour the sauce over the beef. Cook for another 4 minutes. When the beef rolls are finished, go ahead and put it on a plate, and then the remaining sauce you can pour on top of it. Enjoy as an appetizer.